Hi everyone! So in this tutorial, you will learn how to configure Boogie Texts. So first of all, we will start with a simple template, which includes only one photo and one text box. First of all, you will simply log in onto Boogie Text right here with your username and password. And then you will simply click on the configuration button that is shown right here. And you will have this little window opening. And what you want to do is create one type for each template that you have. So for this one, we will create it for the grad section. So this will be graduates right here. And then you need one line in each tab for each text box that you will have in your template. So this one is for the grad text. So let's name it graduates. So one text box here, and then you can see the number of characters and words that is shown right here. So you will write the same number right there. And then you select how you want the name to be displayed. So in this case, we have first name, space, last name, and that's it. And then you have to do the same under the images tab. So you click on add right here, and then you need to select the folder that you want your photos to be taken from. So you will click on this one here and then simply check the folder that you want to use for this image. And then that's it. Your first template is now configured. And then for the second one, we have a more elaborated template that is shown right here. So we have two text boxes and 4 photos. So one text box for the grad text and then one for the name. And then we have 4 photos right here. So once again, configuration. And then we add a type because the template is different. And then we add one text line for each text box. So the first one is going to be the grad text. And then we adjust the length right here. So 251 characters. And then we don't add any display for the name because it's going to be in a different line right here. That's a different text box. So we add this one here. And then the length for this one will be 0 because it will simply take the name of the topic and put it right there. And then for the name display, we need to pick first name, paragraph, last name, because in this case, both names are on a different line, as you can see right here. So this is done for the text. Now we have to configure it for the photos. So now you go under the images tab and you click on this button, add image, and you will select the folder you need for each of your images. So for this one, it's going to be graduates. And then the second image will be the animal. So we select it right here. And then the third one is going to be the sport. And the last one will be the astrological sign. Right here. And now one thing that you need to make sure is that the order of your configuration is the same as how you want the pictures to be shown into your template. So you can play with the little arrows right here, and then that's it. So if you have any question about this one, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you, bye!